how to save a YouTube video to your phone's gallery. That's what we're going to see today in this video. Hello everyone, welcome to Sack Tech. I am pleased to meet you again in this new video where we will see how to save a YouTube video to your phone's gallery. One of the things you need to do is access YouTube Studio from your phone's browser or simply download the YouTube Studio app, which is available on Google. Once the app is downloaded, you need to open the app and click on your account to log in. Once that's done, all your videos will appear and you need to retrieve the videos you want to download. Simply click here and you will see the registration bar at the top. You can also see all the videos available on your account. Simply click, for example, on the three dots you see to download the video. And then you will see here Save to Device. So you see here there are arrows. The destination of your video will be directly in your phone's gallery. For example, if you save to the device, the download will start and the video will be stored in your phone's gallery. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or want me to make a video on a specific topic, let me know in the comments.